So next question is domain of the function. Domain of the function f of x is equal to 1 by square root of x square minus a square. Now here it is in this form. Here it is like this 1 by square root of h of x. In case of square root of h of x, we will write that it is defined only when h of x greater than or equal to 0. But remember that here also it is square root of h of x, but not in the numerator. It is in the denominator. In this case, if you put 0, it will be not defined. So, in case of 1 by square root of h of x, it is defined only when h of x greater than 0. It is defined only when h of x greater than 0. So the domain of the function, this function is defined only when x square minus a square greater than 0. Okay, because it is in the denominator. Now, x square minus a square can be written as x plus a into x minus a greater than 0. Now you write the real line, simple method. Put the points. If you equate this as 0, you will get minus a to a. After the largest number, you put plus, minus, plus. You have greater than 0, that means it is positive. So the requirement is numbers which are less than minus a and the numbers which are greater than a. So the domain is x belongs to minus infinity to open minus a union open a comma infinity. This is the domain. Or otherwise you can follow this definition. X minus a into x minus b greater than 0. Then x belongs to minus infinity to a union b comma infinity. Okay. And next one is f of x is equal to square root of 4x minus x square. Find the domain of this function. Now it is again in this form, square root of h of x. So this function is defined only when 4x minus x square greater than or equal to 0. Now you will multiply with minus. So x square minus 4x less than or equal to 0. If you multiply with minus, inequality will change. Okay. Now this can be written as x into x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. This can be written as x minus 0 into x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. Now this is the case. X minus a into x minus b less than or equal to 0. Then the result is x belongs to closed a comma b. So domain x belongs to closed 0 comma 4. That is the domain.